Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of a system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. Like what is Raspberry Pi, what are the GPIO pins, and what is the complete requirements over here. The complete requirements like how to install the package, how to access the GPIO pin, how to connect the ADC, how to connect the digital sensors. So from that particular digital sensors, once when we are integrating, here we will be going on this particular informations. So whenever we are just integrating this kind of parts, therefore we have to know this particular part should be applied into this OS, and within that Raspberry OS itself, how we will be accessing into the Python as well as through access terminal. So there are many parts to be known. Generally the same Python, ideally whatever we are using, the same thing on into the Windows, the same thing only we are also using into the Raspberry Pi. So that particular function only here we will be working on, and today we will be implementing the same system with Windows. So onto this particular system, whatever I am using in the system also I will simulate and show you with some random data, and at the same time I will also show you in Raspberry Pi by connecting with the sensor. Both will be done in the same account. So without any changes you can also simulate and see. For this there is no requirement of Raspberry Pi. So we are just refreshing the particular techniques, what and all should be done. So hereby we will be just creating an account in the ThinkSpeak. Then we have to create the channel as well as the field, whatever the required widgets, everything can be connected over here. Then here we will be writing the API key from the channel. So we have to get that particular write API key from the channel towards our Python code. So from that only here we will be able to communicate with the cloud as easy as possible. Then we have to apply that particular script, finally execute the program, so that automatically the data will be transferred directly towards the cloud over here. So for that let us go. So here this is the complete code whatever we are going to use. Imports is nothing but the system file will be imported. Import OS, from time import sleep, then comes under the particular import URL lib.request. So this is the most important part, because to integrate the Python with any of the web page, any of the web pages or any of the link, so there we require this URL lib.request. So hereby once when we are working regarding towards this URL lib.request means it is completely used to match the API key. So API will be added. So through this particular API key, therefore we will be able to communicate towards the respective cloud. Once the API key is matched, the entire data will be uploaded towards the cloud. So here my API, here only we have to upload our API. So let us upload it newly, else it will be we won't be able to see, because onto my channel there is no field at all. So let us create. Then inside the while true, here I have given a variable distance, that is 50, for within bracket, sorry not within bracket, it's I in range. So make it as 100. I in range of 100, I plus plus. So here I will declare I equal to I plus plus print I, and here URL lb.request URL open, we have to match the API key onto the field 1. Okay, this is for field 1, within bracket the string. So whatever the data we are going to send it as string means it is I. Okay, so sleep winter, it completely comes under the delay part. So here it is showing it as invalid syntax. Hereby I am declaring it within the range itself I equal to 0. So within 0 to 100 it will be printing, and here also I can get the data. Just let us give a try, but now we won't be able to see the yeah, okay, fine. So in order to get all the data, some increase and decrease which should be there, and we no need to provide all the data. So get for each and every of 20 intervals, 0, 20, 40, 60. So like that we can get it. And one more thing is delay. You can use time dot sleep within bracket at least 10 seconds. Actually 15 seconds is required. Let us keep for 10 seconds. Okay, fine. Now let us go and create our API. So for our API, we have to log in towards our ThinkSpeak. So now I have logged in. Go for channels. Now I am going to create a channel. So hereby I am going to create a new channel. The name rpi. I am selecting only one field, data. Click on save channel. Now go for API keys. Copy right API key. Go for Python. Paste it in my API. Now let us take. Now let us run it. So hereby we have a mistake. Each and every data should be after 10 seconds. Then only we will be getting it. Now let us go for a private view. Last entry about a minute. The final data. It has stopped at 80 and the 80 has been uploaded. Now each and every data will be uploading simultaneously. Again and again I am receiving only at 80. So we will have one more line over here. Now this is the logic application. So however we requirements, according to that we have to change the position. Then we will be able to get it to get an acquired answer. Here what was the reason it was completely getting as 80 means because I have kept commonly as field 1. So whatever it is coming at last I will be able to get. Now for each and every for loop I will be able to receive the data. Now I can see that particular zigzag wave. So now we can get maximum amount of data over here. So now let us go according to the ThinkSpeak principle. If you want to receive all the things, ThinkSpeak requires 15. We are just keeping it as 16. Okay. Now let us wait for 16 seconds. Hereby I am getting each and every data. Yes. So now all the data I will be able to receive onto the cloud. So now we can check the value 0, 20, 40, 60, 80. Now again it comes 0. Small mathematical mistake. So still 60, 80, 100, and for now it comes 80. Now if you go and check, we will be having a triangle. If the calculations are correct, we will be able to get a good data, and now we are satisfied with the step-by-step data. So those are 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 80, 60, 40, 20. Next it will be 0. That's it. So in this way only we will be working with ThinkSpeak. So participants, any doubt till here? No, it's not like it only works with Raspberry Pi. That's what initially I have just given you a information that once when we start with Python, definitely I will show you without Raspberry Pi itself. Ms. Fatima, previously it was working only till 80. The reason is the calculation was wrong. Instead of a small mistake inside that subtraction, it has reached only 80. Rakshita, actually the coding part has been explained. So this replay will be there in our YouTube channel itself. You can collect it. I hope you have missed the session whenever I am explaining the coding part. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.